Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology and chemistry effectively. First, focus on understanding the fundamental principles rather than just rote memorization. Actively engage with the material by solving practice problems and working through examples. Visual aids, such as diagrams and flowcharts, can significantly enhance your comprehension of complex processes. Consistent review of topics is crucial for long-term retention and success in these subjects. For biology, drawing and labeling diagrams of biological processes and structures is incredibly effective. Use flashcards to master the extensive vocabulary and key terms. Always try to connect new information to concepts you've already learned, building a comprehensive understanding. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging topics and quiz each other, reinforcing your knowledge and identifying areas for improvement. When studying chemistry, consistent practice is paramount. Regularly balance chemical equations and work through stoichiometry problems step by step to solidify your understanding. Grasping periodic table trends and elemental properties is fundamental for predicting reactions. Don't shy away from seeking clarification on difficult concepts. A strong foundation in chemistry is built on clear understanding of each topic. To further enhance your studies, review past exams to identify common question types and areas of focus. A powerful technique is to teach concepts to others. Explaining a topic solidifies your own understanding. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for some great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.